My name is Hunter McCray. I am in human-centered engineering design, and I am planning to graduate in the next couple of weeks. Human-centered engineering design is unique in a way where you study the core tenets of industrial design, industrial engineering, so ergonomics and human factors, along with many aspects of art, so digital art, UI design, and with many subsects of medical. So you could be studying physiology, psychology, a lot to do with anatomy and the human aspect, I guess, along with marketing and business classes as well, to understand how to sell your ideas. But the major thing is you need a core of engineering. And so with me, I chose mechanical engineering, but you could also choose other things like software or systems design as well. And that's where you kind of get your hard classes. I chose the program because of its unique ability. In my first 2 years of going to school here, I studied business until one day my brother sent me a LinkedIn post of the university's new program. You see, for me, business isn't really for me, and he kind of noticed that. I'm a little bit more creative and like to do my own thing, and I like to have my own ideas. And so I took a leap and took some harder math classes and found out I was doing pretty well. And so then I made the full leap to engineering, and I'm sure I got blacklisted from sending all of the requests to transfer universities from my counselors because of how many times I wanted to transfer. So then I started the first few classes in human-centered engineering design, and the rest is history. The skills and knowledge I gained with this program is pretty determined by what I want to expose myself to. You see, for me, I'm quite passionate about the National Forest Service, passionate about service to my community as well. So one of my projects has to do with actual search and rescue in remote areas. And actually through the program, I made connections in order to file for my first patent. And so this patent, essentially what it is an emergency responder device where I worked with interviewing pilots and interviewing EMS. And so basically I came with a solution where you can autonomously detect the characteristics of a landing zone and transmit that data to the pilot, so that will give you a rapid view of what specifically is going on with that person who's injured on the ground somewhere far away, where the pilot needs to fly a certain amount of minutes in order to get there. And so when the pilot gets there, one of the issues is they take too long in order to see, oh, maybe this area wasn't correctly defined and it's not good enough for the helicopter to land. Well, rather than having that human make the mistake of predetermining, oh, this location wasn't correct, you have the device and say, in 10 seconds, it will tell you, yes, this is good, yes, this isn't, move to a different location, and then in real time it tells the pilot that as well. From within the program, it would have to be my human factors and ergonomics class, which is more under the industrial side. What's great about human factors and ergonomics is that it's the small things in life that you take for granted and you don't actually notice what might impact you. You know, it could be your posture, it could be the height of the table affects how fatigued you get over time, how different interactions within the environment affect you and how you think. So it could be the lighting of an area might affect your mood, or the color of it, or different things that affect the human mind. And basically engineering the ways to know how a person would behave and improve cognitively. So what's unique about this university compared to other universities like Ann Arbor is, since everyone commutes more often than not, you get experiences with a lot more different people. And so how it essentially goes is every semester you're introduced to a new wave of friends and opportunities. and also to build upon your past friends that you've had with the program. In reality, it's the adaptability and changing environment that basically allows you to have more connections than the average student going to a different university.